Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the scroll bar in MS Excel. This scroll bar will be placed within the developer tab under controls group. Once you click this insert icon, you can find the scroll bar in the second row, the third icon. I will show you how it works. When we have lot of employees or lot of data which cannot be shown at one time in the chart, we can use this scroll bar. From this main table, I have created one more small table using the dynamic formulas. I will explain you in a minute. So once you click on the scroll bar, it will be keep changing every 5 employees to show on the chart. This chart, based on this small table, the chart will be updated. Like this, it will be keep changing. You can view every 5 members' performance on the chart at one time when you click. So let's see in action how we can create this one. Let's go to summary demo. First, I will copy very first 5 rows of employees to have the similar format. I'm going to insert a chart for this. Let's go to home tab, insert, and then click on the charts group. Click on the clustered column chart. This chart will be inserted. Let us give 2 rows of empty rows between the table and the chart, and let's resize this chart. And I'm going to take this second type of chart so that the values and bar are shown at a time. It will be reduced the formatting time. I moved the legend aside. At the same time, I'm moving chart title also to the left. Let's rename the chart title quarter 1 performance. Quarter 1 performance, because this is shown for January, February, March. And let me fill here a black color. So I'm going to developer tab within the controls group, clicking on insert icon, taking the scroll bar. I'm just dragging here the scroll bar object. So once you drag, you have to right click on the object, then click on format control. This will brings up this format control dialog. Here we have to supply few parameters in order to make it to work. So current value I'm going to give 1, and the minimum value should also 1, and the maximum value here I have 22 employees data. I'm going to give 22. Incremental change, whenever I want to click, it has to increment by 5 because I need to show 5 employees data. This page change also you can have 5. The one important thing is you have to link this object to any one cell so that the value will be updated into that cell. I'm going to link the A2 cell and then click OK. Click outside and then click now. The current value is updated as 1, and then click on the bar scroll bar. It is incremented by 5. It is shown 6 now. Similarly, it will be keep incrementing by 5. Now once you come back, so now we need to make this table as a dynamic. So let's apply dynamic formula offset. This is the header, right? So we need to offset from here. So offset A4 and the A2 linked cell, the number of rows that we need to offset, I need to make it to absolute reference, and then comma 0. We don't want to offset any number of columns here, so I'm going to give 0, and then copy the cell and paste entire in the range in the small table, paste as formulas. Now All the cells are updated with formulas. Now, if you click here, 5 employees data will be changed. So, first Raja, Kiran, Chandu, Akash, Arjun. These are the 5 people, first 5 people. Since we have clicked one time, it is taking from the second 5, Deepu, Dilip, Kavita, Naveen, and Yuvraj. These 5 employees data is shown in the small table. The same small table is shown in the graph. So friends, this is how you can utilize this scroll bar in our regular reports and dashboards. Hope you found this is very useful technique and useful feature that you can utilize in Excel work. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you so much.